Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are getting an invalid parameters error on TikTok while trying to log in, update your profile, or post content, it usually means the app is sending corrupted or badly formatted data to the server. I will show you exactly how to clear this out and fix the connection right now. Let's get started. First, we need to clear out the temporary app data that is likely causing the data mismatch between your phone and the TikTok servers. If you can open the app, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, select Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Free Up Space, and tap Clear next to your cache. If the error is completely locking you out of the app, you will need to open your phone's main device settings, find TikTok under your installed applications, and manually clear the storage cache from there. Next, you must ensure nothing is actively interfering with the specific data you are trying to submit. If you are getting this error while updating your bio or username, make sure you are not using unsupported special characters or unusual emojis, as these frequently trigger parameter blocks. Additionally, if you are running a VPN or proxy service on your phone, you must temporarily turn it off because heavily routed network traffic can easily scramble the authentication handshakes being sent to TikTok. Finally, if clearing the cache and adjusting your network did not work, you are likely dealing with an outdated app version that has a broken API connection. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update to install the latest official bug fixes. If no update is available, your most reliable fix is to completely uninstall the application, restart your phone to flush the system memory, and download a fresh copy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.